Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 in the PaperMatte Edition. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, all of the accessories we got, the design, build quality, hardware specs, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So what we got here is the bundle pack. So it comes with this Huawei M Pencil as well that you can use with your Huawei MatePad Pro for sketch and drawing purposes. I will talk about the Huawei M Pencil, its usage, etc. in our future videos. And right now we are going to concentrate only on the MatePad Pro here. So if you have a look on the retail box, it's quite minimalistic. We just got the Huawei MatePad Pro PaperMatte Edition branding. MatePad Pro comes in two sizes, 13-inch and 12-inch. The one we got here is the 12-inch version. It comes with Huawei's app gallery along with the near link technology for communication between the devices. Here we got an icon showing that the Huawei Glide keyboard is inside this box. It comes with Huawei sound technology and the device is SGS certified for premium performance. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2, the PaperMatte Edition. We got this microfiber polishing cloth. It is not for sale. It comes bundled with this retail box here. Here we got the Huawei Glide keyboard, as you can see here. A USB cable, a 100-watt charger, some quick start guide, user manuals, and that's all we got here. So inside the retail box of Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2, you will find the tablet, the Huawei Glide keyboard, the microfiber polishing cloth, 100-watt charger, some quick start guide, USB cable, along with the Huawei M Pencil. So here is our Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2. The PaperMatte Edition. You can see that the display comes with the matte finish. It's non-reflective, so that's quite nice for sure. Even when it is switched off, you can see the effect of matte finish we got here. So let's switch on the device. After that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our MatePad Pro here. So the speaker quality is really good, lots of loudness along with the bass. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got this 12.2-inch display with 89% screen to body ratio. The bezels all across the display are symmetrical in terms of thickness. And as you can see, the display is really non-reflective. That's so good. At the top center of the display, you will find this front-facing camera. It is placed and designed in a way to use the tablet in horizontal mode for making video calls, especially because it comes with the Huawei Glide keyboard. So 99% chance is there that you will use this tablet for making video calls along with your keyboard in the horizontal position, and that's why the camera is placed on the wider side of the bezels, not on the smaller side. The MatePad Pro is just 5.5 mm thick, so it is very slim. As you can see here, it weighs just 508 grams and that's quite impressive, especially considering the fact that it comes with a 10,100 mAh battery and a huge 12.2-inch display. At the top we got multiple microphones along with the volume keys. On the left side we got speaker grills with the power button, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor, and as you can see, it comes with a notch that's going to be quite helpful when you are using it for the fingerprint purposes, because you know exactly where you are putting your finger because of this notch we got here on the frame of the tablet. On the right side, once again we got the speaker grills along with the USB Type-C port, and as you can see at the bottom there are no pogo pins provided to connect the keyboard with this tablet because it comes with near link technology. The back once again is quite minimalistic. We just got the Huawei logo and some regulatory information. It comes with this nice texture that looks quite beautiful and premium, and it is really soft and smooth. It feels good while moving your fingers on it. Here we got the camera module where you will find the primary camera along with ultra wide angle lens, and once again that's quite interesting because I don't think anybody uses their tablets to capture an ultra wide image, but still Huawei decided to provide it just in case if you need it. We got this microphone, the LED flash all inside this camera module, and as you can see the camera module bump is nearly negligible. That's quite impressive for sure, because if you put your MatePad Pro on a flat surface, no wobbling at all from any corner. There is no information officially whether we got any protection on the display or whether it comes with any kind of IP rating, but in terms of design it is really beautiful, gorgeous from every angle and looks very premium for sure. Now talking about the display, we got a dual layer 12.2 inch OLED display with 1 billion color reproduction, 144Hz refresh rate, 89% screen to body ratio, 2800 x 1840 pixels resolution with 3:2 aspect ratio. So the PPI you will get is 275, and because of that the display of MatePad Pro is quite beautiful. As you can see here, you won't see any pixelation, even though if I'm bringing the screen so close to the camera lens, the viewing angles are great. Does not matter how you are going to use your device. And since this is the PaperMatte Edition, you can see that it comes with this non-reflective coating and it works perfectly, so you will be able to use the device in bright sunny outdoors without facing any issue, especially because it also comes with 2000 nits peak brightness. So as you can see, the display is really bright, everything else is going dark in the background as you can see on the maximum peak brightness, so that's quite nice. And once again, you won't face any issue while using this device in bright sunny outdoors. It comes with 144Hz refresh rate, so you will be able to use this tablet for playing some of the high and heavy graphics game. You can select between the dynamic high or standard refresh rate setting, and once again it comes with plenty of options for better viewing experience like the eye comfort mode, ebook mode that converts the display of your device like a real book. You can even select between black and white or color mode. So as you can see now, everything is grayish, all of these icons and everything, and if you select color, once again it is colored, but the effect is like having a look at a real book. And if you turn it off, you can see how the display is changing. It comes with Huawei's app multiplier feature where you can use the same application in two different windows for better multitasking. And then we got a manual option to enable the HDR images on your Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2. Now talking about the hardware, this Huawei MatePad Pro comes with Kirin 9000S processor. You got 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, out of which 480.84GB is user available storage once you start using the device. So that's plenty of storage we got here. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with 10,100 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. Talking about the software side, the MatePad Pro comes with Huawei's Harmony OS that also allows you to use all of the Android applications on it. It is very feature rich, comes with plenty of options and settings to have a better user experience on your Huawei MatePad Pro. As you can see here, we got lots of options when it comes to multi-window, a smart sensing technology like the air scroll, grab shot. You can even connect the stylus, mouse and keyboard to your Huawei MatePad Pro. We got the follow cam technology, using which the camera automatically adjusts its angle and zoom level to keep everyone in the frame while making video calls. We got the super hub that allows you to do various activity for better productivity on your MatePad Pro. Here you can see that it comes with Huawei's app gallery. We got Notes, Game Center, Cloud, Petal Search, Optimizer. We got the Go Pen pre-installed on it because the MatePad Pro comes with the support for a stylus, and we got the M Pen bundled with our MatePad Pro as well. It comes with this nice dock from where you can quickly access any of the recently used applications. We got a dedicated application for the M Pen that's called M Pen Zone. Under the tools you will find some of the regular applications like clock, contacts, find device. We got the pedal clip. It comes with WPS Office pre-installed, and if you go to the business, here you will find some of the regional applications that you can install on your MatePad Pro. Under the entertainment, once again you get the suggestion that what are the applications that you should download on your device. Same goes with the social as well. As you can see, it supports all of the popular social media or business applications. And if you don't find anything in the app gallery, then of course you can download the Android version of it, sideload it on your MatePad Pro, and you will be good to go. We also got Huawei's MeTime, using which you can make video calls. And then we got some of the Huawei applications here in the Huawei app section, like the Kids Corner, Recorder, Calculator, etc. to have better productivity on our MatePad Pro 12.2. Now talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front facing camera that can record full HD resolution videos up to 30 fps, and on the back we got 13 megapixel primary camera that can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode. In the photo mode we get the 10x zoom, but that's totally digital. And then we got the option to select the grid filters, we got the moving picture option as well, and then we got the AI camera, flash, aspect ratio, we got the AI lens as well. If you go to video, you can see that you can record up to 4K resolution videos at 30 fps, and if you select full HD resolution video, then you can record it up to 60 fps as well. Then we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got plenty of portrait effects here. And then we got the level of beautification that you can select for your pictures. We got dedicated night mode, we got the aperture mode, once again using which you can have nice depth of field to highlight the subject of your picture. And if you go to more, here you can see that it comes with pro mode, slow motion, panorama, time lapse, stickers, documents. So once again, even though majority of the people, they do not use their huge heavy tablets for taking pictures or capturing videos, Huawei is still providing plenty of options in the camera application, and that's quite nice that maybe somehow someday when you would like to capture some of the images using any of these modes, these options will be available on your MatePad Pro. And here is the Huawei Glide keyboard that we got with our MatePad Pro. So here is our Huawei Glide keyboard. As you can see, it looks very beautiful and premium, and the material is super smooth. It feels so good while touching it. Really nice. As you can see, it comes with the Nearlink technology. We got these keys with nice travel. Here is the slot to place the M Pen, and it is magnetic, so the MatePad Pro is fitting on the top of the keyboard, connecting it with the back of the MatePad, and then you can just put it here, and then it will cover the spot for the M Pen. It will protect it, or you can even move it a bit further and put it here. Based on your preference, you can have two different viewing angles, and once you want to stop using it, then you can just fold it like this from that angle itself, and it will adjust to close it perfectly, as you can see. And once again, as you can see, it is looking very beautiful and premium from every angle. So I'm going to make a separate video for Huawei Glide keyboard with our MatePad Pro, talking about its design, features, the functionality, because it comes with plenty of smart options as well. So at the first glance, the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 is looking a pretty solid tablet in nearly every aspect. The design is very beautiful and premium, the PaperMatte display is gorgeous, and the non-reflective coating is going to provide a very nice visual experience, especially in the outdoors. It is very slim, quite lightweight, comes with huge 10,100 mAh battery with impressive 100-watt fast charging, 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, and quad speaker setup powered by Huawei Sound. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2, like the gaming review, benchmarking tester score results, tips and trips, accessory reviews, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.